It all started with BuildTak. The original problem, how to get printed parts off build plates easily and completely without using blue tape or slurry. For that, we invented the BuildTak's sheet. Next, to help get away from dangerous tools, we created the BuildTak's spatula. From there, we created the flex plate system and magnetic base, which led us into new BuildTak materials like polyethermide, announcing our latest product designed to help fix, clean, and maintain your 3D printer. Welcome to the BuildTak Pocket Tool. Its multiple attachments are specially designed to help you fix more problems in less time, and you can carry it in your pocket. Making 3D printing and maintenance easier. BuildTak. It just works.